Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. Work has been hectic as usual, but today I'm super excited because I'll be sharing all my secrets for my weekly monthly maintenance routine. I think we all need to know how to handle our own maintenance, especially with the way the economy is going. But let's be honest, there are some things you just have to pay for. For example, waxing down there. So let's get into it. I'll be starting from top to bottom. First on the list is my hair. My hair has been going through a lot lately, serious breakage. So I decided to do a little DIY hair mask to bring it back to life. In this bowl, I've got one egg, hair mayonnaise, and coconut oil. So you just whip the ingredients together to make a paste. Then I'll section my hair into like 4 or 5 parts. Then I'll start applying the hair mask into my hair. After applying the hair mask into my hair, I'll get my hair steamer. First of all, first use my nylon bag, a black nylon bag preferably. Then I put on my heat steamer for about 20 minutes. If you don't have a hair steamer, you can use a hot towel. So just wrap it around your hair and leave it for 20 minutes and let's do this magic. Next on the list is my brows. Whenever my brows grow out, I try to shaping them myself. My brows aren't super thick, so it's easier to handle. And instead of using the usual razor, I prefer this too because it's safer for me to handle and you can always change it to the other one as it comes free in a pack. For exfoliation, I make my own scrub and it's super simple. You just need granulated sugar, honey, and turmeric. I have turmeric sometimes because I don't want to stain my fingers, especially when I've just got my nails done. If you're going to use turmeric to yours, just wear gloves or else to stain your finger. So your sugar, turmeric, and honey should be added in the ratio 2:1. I add turmeric to mine sometimes just to brighten up my skin. It's also important that you use brown sugar. It's gentler on the skin and make sure to blend your sugar. If you are going to be using white, make sure that you blend your sugar to get finer granules. That way you won't accidentally scratch your skin. Also, I usually steam my face before applying my sugar scrub. So I will advise you also do the same to get the best results. For my body, I apply my scrub on a sponge, then lather it with my black soap. I've noticed it creates more foam when combined with the scrub, and I'm not sure if it's the sugar, the honey, or some chemical reaction. I tried getting my teeth professionally cleaned and whitened recently, but the process was too much on my gums. It was too sensitive. So I switched to an at-home whitening kit from AliExpress. This whitening kit comes with 4 desensitizing gel, 4 whitening gel, a teeth guide, and instructions on how to go about it. So you just have to place the mold into boiling hot water, remove it and bite down on it while it's still warm to form the shape of your teeth. Then you place the mold in cold water to set the shape. After that, apply the desensitizing gel around your gums, followed by the whitening gel inside the mold. Insert the mold into your mask, turn on the device and leave it for 20 minutes. Sometimes I go up to 45 minutes. I also apply Vaseline to my lips during this procedure for extra protection.
So this producer hit me up on the DM. He told me, hey, I really like what you were doing. He told me, come on to the studio, let's cook it. He told me, come to.
My nighttime routine consists of using my CeraVe retinol and my moisturizer. This is a consumer moisturizer. But I only do this twice a week since that's what my skin can tolerate. And I'll advise that if you're about 23 years of age, you should start incorporating retinol into your skincare. Whenever you're using retinol, be sure to always use your sunscreen when you're going out. I'm a press-on girly, so you mostly see me on press-ons, and they're mostly from AliExpress. And majority of the time, I use the bridal style type of nails. It usually lasts about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how well I apply them and the glue I use. Sometimes I paint my nails at home or I add on to the nail salon, but majority of the time, you see me on person. I know the majority of us have heard about how Kojic sand soap helps lighten our armpits, but I've got a better alternative. Turmeric sugar scrub with onion. Just mix it in ratio 2:1. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then scrub it off. Do this twice a week and you'll see major changes. Also, to avoid your armpit from getting darker, I would advise that you stop shaving, switch to waxing or shaving cream or gel. And for deodorants, ditch aluminium ones and go for something more natural. I will recommend the Forever Roll-On. Also, lime is a game changer for eliminating odor. And here's how you can use it if you don't have sensitive skin. Use a lime, take about 2 to 3 drops, apply them to each underarm, leave it until it dries and then wash it off. For starters, I would recommend that you mix your lime juice with lemon just to see how your skin reacts before using lime alone, as lime contains a high concentration of citric acid. Lashes are an event only thing for me. Maybe weddings, dates, parties. I don't wear them daily because I tend to put them off in my sleep. My sister once suggested that I tie my hands while I'm asleep just to prevent it, but apparently it's not my thing. However, when I do use lashes, I use the DIY lashes sets. Since I'm going to take them off unconsciously in the next 24 hours, I don't need to waste my money. And that's it, guys. Remember why it's important to take care of your body, skin, and hair. Don't forget about your spiritual skincare. Study the word of God and pray. I'd also love to hear your beauty or skincare hacks so I can learn from you too. Can you drop them in the comments? And if you haven't watched my last vlog on Benin Republic, be sure to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye.